Hi my magical creatures, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is I am going to show you how I do my nails. I have not gotten my nails done in years because I've learned how to do my own nails, and during the pandemic happened and everything, I learned how to do my nails, and this is like a really good way on how I do my nails. So here I have these press-on nails. With these press-on nails, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make the design that you want, and everything is going to be linked down below, so you can get all the products that I use for this video. And also, they literally last just like as if you went and got them done. If you did like acrylic or whatever, like they last like a good 2 weeks. So, yeah, so if you want to learn how I did these nails, stay tuned. And yeah, so here you see me picking through like what size for my nails. So right now I'm just picking out the size, and I'm just gonna see like what nail fits my nail bed. So, and there's a bunch of different sizes that you can pick from. So next, once you get all your sizes picked out, you're going to get your drill, and then you're going to go ahead and drill you're going to buff the part where you glue on your nails. You're going to buff that part out so that way it will stick better to the glue when we start to glue our nails on later on. And then also too, after that, you want to also buff the outer part of the nail too. The gel polish and everything will stick onto it and it be adhesive better. Okay, so next you want to grab like this little like chest piece that's kind of like a nail holder. So you basically, you can use like putty or tape that I'm using because I don't have any putty, and then you're just gonna like go ahead and just put the little nails on the pieces of the chest. It looks like a little chest piece, but it's for nails. So this is how we're going to be able to decorate the nail. And I guess you don't really need this, but I mean, it's going to make your work so much easier. And I feel like the product will turn out so much better if you do have this. And, also too, yeah, everything will be linked down below. So, everything that I use, I will definitely be letting you guys, know like where I got everything. So next, you want to go ahead and pick out your colors on what you want to do. So for this look, I'm going to do like a nice neon pink, and then I'm going to do like a neon green color. And then also don't forget your top coat too. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and grab the first nail, and we're going to start painting it pink. And then we're just going to go ahead and work our way through. And also too, like the little pink little diamond thing that I'm holding is just like a little magnetic thing to kind of hold the nail and be able to sculpt and, you know, everything like that. So now that you have the design, so we just did like pink, green, and then pink. So the thumb is pink, the pointer finger is green, middle finger is pink, and then the ring finger is green, and then the pinky nail is pink. So and then after that, we're gonna go ahead and take our UV lamp, get like a little, you can use like any like small one, and then we're gonna go ahead and cure them under the lamp. And I usually like to cure them at least like twice, like 2 times in a row. So now that they're cured, we're gonna go ahead and do a second coat on the nails. And then you're going to go ahead and cure them again twice. All right, so now that they're cured, we're going to go ahead and use this glitter. I really love this glitter. It's very chunky. It's a bunch of little glitters in there. So we're going to use silver glitter, and then we're going to use gold glitter. So for the middle, for the middle finger, we're going to go ahead and use gold glitter for the pink nail. And then for the middle, for the ring finger, we're going to go ahead, that's a green nail. We're going to go ahead and use silver for that nail. So now that we put the glitter on the nails, we are going to go ahead and now decorate them. Unfortunately, I'm so sorry, you guys. I was not able to, I did not film the part of me, like I was off camera putting them on, and I don't know what was wrong with me. So unfortunately, I cannot go back in time and fix that. But basically, I'm using like this like gel, this like gel, rhinestone gel. You basically just sculpt it on the nail, and then next we're gonna go ahead and use the little wax pen to pick up the star that we're using. We're gonna go ahead and pick up the star, and then we're just gonna go ahead and glue that on there just like that. Yeah, so basically the rhinestone gel, all you do is just grab like the little like brush and then just basically paint it on to the nail. And then we're gonna go ahead and cure that under the lamp. And then also too, we're gonna go ahead and use like these smaller gems, and then we're gonna use the wax pen and like put them onto the nail as well too. So after you're done putting them under the lamp and curing them, so the next step is that you want to take the nail that has all the gems and stuff on it. You want to go ahead and get your brush and get that that gel, the gel polish, I want to say, for the gems and everything like that. You want to go ahead and you want to go around all the gems again, and you want to, don't encapsulate it with the gel, but just go around the edges of the gems that are glued down, so that way it will like what I'm doing right there. It basically reinforces the gems and they'll stay on there way longer. Okay, and then next we're just gonna go ahead and take a little like gem for the other nails, and we're just gonna put them like at the kind of like the base of the nail, and we're just gonna go ahead and put them on just a single gem, just to give it a little pop of jewelry on it too. And then you want to go ahead and pop that under the lamp and cure it twice. So now that they're cured under the lamp, we're gonna go ahead and put a top coat over the nails. Don't put the top coat over the gems or anything like that, because then they won't shine. But do it like on the part of the nail that doesn't have the gems on it, and then just go ahead and do that. So once you put the top coat on, don't forget to put them under the lamp again. So now that they are cured, they are so pretty, they are cute. Definitely gives me a fairly odd appearance Wanda and Cosmo like look. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and take this cuticle pusher, and then we're gonna go ahead and push our cuticles back with this tool, so that way it'll make it look like we have a fresh manicure set. So next, after you push back all your cuticles, you're gonna take a drill, and then you're just gonna buff your nail, the top of your nail bed. Like don't file it to the point where it's like all gone, but just enough for the shyness to go away, and just buff like the top of the nail, so that way when we glue these nails on, it will be easier for them to stick on and everything like that. So next you want to go ahead and take this nail glue. It's called like Wonder Bond glue. It's like brush on nail glue. I get this at Sally's Beauty Supply. So basically what you want to do, you want to grab your nail, and then you're gonna go ahead and open it, and then you're gonna go ahead and hurry and brush the glue onto the nail bed. And then after that, you're gonna go ahead and take the nail, and then you're gonna hurry up and brush a little bit of glue on underneath the nail too. And then you want to hurry up and pop the nail on, and leave it on for like a good 10 to 15 seconds, just putting pressure on it and holding it still and everything like that. And then you can see like right here too, I'm brushing it like under the nail bed, or under the nail, I mean, where it's gonna stick. And then you also want to be quick when you do this too, because you don't want your glue to hurry up and dry up on you. And then you're gonna go ahead and glue that on and just put pressure on it, light pressure on it for at least 10 to 15 seconds before moving on to the next nail. And boom, there you have it. You just got your nails done, and this would have cost you probably like $150 to probably $200 with glitter, the shape, and the rhinestones put on. And definitely this is definitely a Barbie on a budget. And also too, if you're afraid of transitioning and getting your nails done, you can do it at home. And yeah, so stay magical.